Hello and welcome, John Croner and Bullzeye Trader with the market and Holly update for Tuesday, March 20th. Of course, Holly is the artificial intelligence developed by Trade Ideas, and she watches the entire market looking for a statistical advantage. And as we always say, and we quote Paul Tudor Jones, no man is better than a machine, and no machine is better than a man with a machine. Let's take a quick look at today's market. The IBB closed up about 6 cents, and you can see we had a little bit of a doji type candle here on just average volume. Lots of volatility throughout the day. The spiders, pretty much the same scenario, maybe a little bit more volatility. It dropped way down and then came way back up. Ended up 46 cents up on, as you can see down here, very, very low volume. The diamonds fared pretty much the same, but they were up $1.19, so I guess they did a little bit better. Once again, fairly low volume and lots of volatility. The Qs were up about 55 cents. The Russell 2000 actually was down about 4 cents, so it lost a little bit. It's pretty interesting. We'll have to see which way this market goes. Everything's poised where, quite frankly, it can go either way. Let's take a quick look at our trade of the week, golf, that we looked at yesterday. Of course, it did trigger, then it pulled back, and today it put in the doji candle, which is the kind of the familiar theme. But it does look like, depending upon what the market does, if it breaks these highs, it'll be at all-time highs. So it could get very interesting, especially when you look at our stock chart here, where we showed that the short float is at 35.46%. So this could get very interesting. Now let's take a look at what Holly did. She came to the table today with 11 strategies. 4 were short. All the strategies triggered except for Nickelback right here, which was a long strategy and no trades on it, but all of the 10 others did have trades. Her risk off profit was she lost $1.95, and you can see here on the histogram it was pretty much just a rough day all day long for her. Now the risk on, once again, you can see that volatility, and for part of the day there at the end there, we had everybody trying to buy that failed dip there, and it brought it back up, and then it came back down. So a little bit of volatility, but she did make 65 cents on the risk on profit. There were 7 short trades, and she made a total profit of 48 cents, and her risk on profit was 79 cents. And you can see DVA was her best trade there. She made 71 cents on that. Risk on profit was $1.51, and she got out because of a timed exit. Once again, one of these videos will go over the different exits she uses and why, and we'll go over some of the different strategies also. But, overall with those 7 trades, she made 48 cents on the profit, and the risk on was 79 cents. And when you compare that to the daily numbers, you see the short trades did help bring it back. The long trades, she had 14 long trades, and there was a total loss of $2.43, and a risk on profit was a 14-cent loss. And you can see here she had 2 trades in the positive, 1 trade broke even, and all the rest were, in the loss category. So not a real good day for the bulls out there today. Now, just in case you don't have a game plan for when the bears emerge and when the buy the failed dip fails, we have something for you. It's 5 ways to win in a post-BTFD market. This was written by the experienced trading educators at Trade Ideas. We have 5 essential strategies you'll need to survive in a bear market. You'll learn when to step on the gas on a short trade, how to flip a long strategy for successful shorts, and make simple winning short volume plays. Here's a link where you can download, actually sign up, and then you'll get the link to download that free ebook, and that would be our treat, so we would encourage you to do that. I'll have that also in the notes section of the YouTube video, so if you watch it there, you can click in the notes and just click on the link there, or of course write it down. And I would like to just remind everybody, if you haven't already followed our blog, that I would encourage you to do that at bullzeyetrader.com. If you sign up there, you will get an email once a day in the morning with our video on it, so you'll never miss one. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter at Bullzeye Trader. We're at StockTwits at Bullzeye Trader. And always, down at the bottom right here as you're watching that video, click that like button for us and click that subscribe button. And we just want to thank you very much, and God bless, and everybody have a great day.